in Nigeria now knows that APC wants to destroy ADC using the instrumentality of the governmental institutions and also using some balls within ADC. You know, intimate enemies are more powerful than even the external enemies. As you are aware, we have already slated this period for our congresses. And I am here as a member of the NWC to ensure that the congresses are going in line, rules and regulation. Because when other people are attacking you, you must be doing things to ensure that everything you're doing is in order. I am very unhappy that I am not in Abuja now, where I'm supposed to be participating in the protest. As you know, the ADC state chairman, yesterday we were surprised that she joined some other chairmen to say they are now part of a group that I don't know which place they belong. But I want to state it clearly that the ADC, State Executive Committee, is fully in support of the David Mark-led executive. ADC does not have any faction. What you have is the molds that are being used to know whether they can truncate ADC. Because APC does not want election in 2027. They know that if they can destroy ADC, Tinubu will run unopposed. So there is nothing like faction in ADC. Now, coming to the congresses, it's unfortunate that even within the highest level of people who are claiming to be leaders in ADC, that some of them are working for APC. I know of Okwesile Nwodo, who is claiming that he came into ADC December 31st. But I can assure you now that he is working for APC, and he is working hard to take over the structure of ADC in Enugu State in order to use it to work for APC. Now, on January 4th, 2026, Okwesile Nwodo had a meeting in his house where he summoned ADC members and told them that they are going to work for APC in Enugu State. That they are going to deliver from the governor to every APC person in Enugu State. He went forward on Arise Television to endorse the governor, Governor Peter Mba, openly. So it is not a hidden thing. And now, he is working hard to take over the structure of ADC. And what they want to do, they want to remove every ADC legacy members in Enugu State. So in the purported forms, they say that they purportedly bought. No ADC legacy member is part of it. And he is using, unfortunately, the National Organizing Secretary of ADC to see how he will actualize this plot. With me here are 3 letters of Congress committee members issued by the National Organizing Secretary within 48 hours. Look at it. His signature. Within 48 hours. And this has thrown the whole Enugu State into confusion. Because we do not even know which Congress committee is organizing the Congress. And what he does is that whenever he writes one, he will go and ask them, please, will this be okay to help you deliver the structure to Kwesileze? And he will write another one. And he will write another one. I won't be surprised if another one will come before this night. So, Prince Chinedu Idigo has become a tool in the hand of APC, trying to truncate ADC in Enugu State. So ADC is fighting now both external enemies and internal moles. This same Prince Chinedu Idigo sold all the forms that everybody has from his office. And he is now working towards making sure that some people's forms that he sold and collected the money, that he wants to say they are fake. So I want you to know the level of incompetence and corruption and complicity of this man called Prince Chinedu Idigo. This is his signature in the 3 letters. So somebody should ask him, on what basis is this? So what I am saying is that this is the time to flush out moles, both within and without. Otherwise, ADC will find it difficult to survive the onslaught of APC. So Kwesileze Modo, Chinedu Idigo, the NOS, they are all working directly or indirectly for APC in Enugu State. Any attempt to allow anybody that Kwesileze Modo will choose to be the chairman of ADC, because all the people that they are nominating, you can see, they even nominated one person with a foreign number who says he lives abroad for the past 40 years. He has been living abroad. So what he does is he comes home only to contest the election. All the names they say that Kwesileze Modo nominated, none of them has attended any meeting of ADC, even once. And I don't know why the Chinedu Idigo will be calling the name of Professor Barton Naji. That Barton Naji nominated somebody. I'm sure he's lying, because Barton Naji openly declared that he is not a member of ADC and that he is not partisan, that he is working for the government of APC. He's into this power, private power, you know. So he's a contractor to the government and does not want to be partisan. And these are the people that Chinedu Idigo is saying are the members of the leadership of ADC. They have never attended any meeting of ADC. In the last National Working Committee meeting that we had, which I'm a member, we said we don't want Nicodemus politicians. We don't want anybody saying you will support us from behind. If you are with us, you have to come out openly. If you are not with us, please stay away. So anybody who is not an ADC member, flesh and blood, and publicly does not have any right to nominate anybody in any committee. So this is what is happening, and that is why I have been pleading with the traditional legacy ADC people, because the trouble we have now is enough for us, for them to be calm, not to take actions until all these things are sorted out. And so that's why I want you to know that the NOS of ADC should resign immediately or be removed, or else everything about our ADC in Enugu State has been compromised.